Restaurant Crozier, Switzerland, $415. If you are looking for the best tasting meals that Switzerland Chef of the Year for 2013 has prepared, you only have to head a restaurant Crozier. Chef Benoit Violia, who has continued the 40-year legacy of the restaurant's legendary chefs, has recently earned a 19 to 20 from the prestigious Carte Mille of France restaurant guide. The 3 Michelin star restaurant continues to delight the choices of taste buds in Switzerland with its $415 full course meal. Specialties of the place include red fruit souffle, white catfish Saint Gilles croix de vie with lemongrass, and summer roasted mushrooms. Gordon Ramsay London, $355. The place that bears the name of the famous restaurateur Gordon Ramsay is every bit as excellent as his reputation in the culinary world. The Scottish chef's restaurant has held 3 Michelin stars for 14 years now, an extraordinary feat in the food industry. Of course, you would have to prepare $355 for your extravagant meal, plus a generous service tip. Masa, New York City, $350. Did you know that the word Masa in the Filipino language means public? Masa restaurant's price tag is, however, far from being accessible to the public. It is thus ironic how one of the most exclusive restaurants in the Big Apple could bear that name. You will find Masa in the city's Time Warner Center, and the dining experience is as unforgettable as the meals they serve. The ambience of the place is calming, but it's a good thing because you would need a relaxed set of nerves when you check your bill after your meal. No, you won't find a menu in the place, but for only $350,000 per person, you get to enjoy a variety of dishes fresh from the kitchen. Your full course meal will last for as long as 3 hours, so you better wear something comfortable. You wouldn't want a tight dress or suit to keep you from eating the best meals in the place, would you? Aragawa, Tokyo, $341. In 2006, Forbes rated Aragawa as the world's most expensive restaurants. While it no longer holds that prestigious spot, Aragawa remains on the list of our most luxurious restaurants in the world. These pricey restaurants can seat only 22 people at most, making it truly exclusive. Thankfully, a full course meal in this exclusive spot only costs at least $341. Reviews of the place brag that it has the best Kobe beef in the world. So make sure that you don't leave the place without trying the dish out. Restaurant Le Marais Paris, $524. Another famous 3-star Michelin restaurant of Alain Ducasse, the classy vintage interiors of restaurant Le Marais in downtown Paris alone is enough to make the most conservative foodie's wallet quake. Starting from $524, you get to feast on 3 of the restaurant's signature dishes plus choices of desserts and cheese. You might want to try their famous quinoa fowl pea for only a few dollars over 100 and fill sweetbreads. That bill, however, doesn't include your drinks and the service fee, so you would have to add another $100 or so to finish your meal nicely. How cool is that? Ita Undersea Restaurant, Maldives, $500. For a submarine dinner experience, you could choose to dine at what the New York Daily News in 2014 rated as the world's most beautiful restaurant, Ita Undersea Restaurant at Maldives. For only $320, you get a unique dining experience under the sea with a scenic view of great sea creatures gracing your entry. A must-try on their menu is reef fish caviar, but you would have to add another $100 to complete your meals with drinks and a generous service tips. Let's just say that you would have to put in $500 to truly enjoy the underwater dining experience.